despite what happened in the fourth. And then when Farm Fresh tried to come back in the fifth set.
It was actually harder for me to stay focused when there were so many breaks, timeouts, calls, challenges. You know, when there's lapses like that, when you don't play and you're not locked in, it's hard to kind of come back to it. But when you have a chip on your shoulder, you know, let's say about a call doesn't go your way, I feel like that kind of fires us to do better, to stay more focused, to do all that stuff. So I'm just glad that we used it in the right type of way. We put our efforts, you know, not to fight back towards a call, but, you know, just to fight during the play.
Coach, yung mga ganitong laro, hindi lang naman yung mga challenging na mga laro, hindi lang naman ngayon. Paano nyo ihanda yung mga sarili nyo sa mga ganitong klaseng games na intense?
Siguro based on experience na lang din talaga. Marami na napag-aanan yung team. Saka minsan na-anticipate na lang din talaga namin kung makita namin sino yung tatayo sino yung dito. So yung katulad nga kanina, na-anticipate naman namin pero nag-react pa rin kami ng todo. Wala kayong magagawa talaga, kaya talaga yung mga tawag minsan. Pero nandun pa rin talaga yung mas uumapaw yung feeling na napagdaanan na siya before. So paano kami magre-respond ng tama talaga. So yung mga ganung itsura, hindi siya nakapag-practice sa experience lang talaga siya nakukuha. So happy kami na nakarespond kami na maayos.
Sabi, in those moments, how do you stay composed and, well, you still get the win?
I'm not one to usually fight. I just like to go back to playing because those lapses, like I said, they're distracting. But I know what our captain's doing. I know what our coaches are doing. They're just fighting for the right call. So, you know, it's kind of my job to stay locked in and it's their job to speak on our behalf. So it's, you know, just within our roles, we just do the right thing.
Sabi, most of the fans notice you have an impeccable form this conference. Then you also elevated your game and your shots and kills. What's different this time?
Actually, I haven't been jumping as high, so coach has been forcing me to place the ball in better places. Especially at practice, you know, they push me to find the open spots. You know, when you practice with Kat and Isa and Sheila every day, it's kind of hard to score all the time. So I feel like they're just making me a better athlete, and you know, with the help of everybody else, I'm just, you know, I couldn't be more happy with my support.
And for other athletes, not all, they find it difficult to spend time in the weight room. For you, how is it so far?
It's actually like my piece, you know. It's where I can go and work without anybody watching me or, you know, telling me what to do. But then, you know, it also benefits me, you know, on court. I feel stronger, I feel lighter, I feel faster. So it's kind of like my lonely practice, I like to call it, when I get time to myself during practice. But I'm also, you know, contributing to the craft.
Coach, lagi mong ine-emphasize na kung kaya, balance sana yung scoring. Pero siguro gano'ng kalaking luxury lang na kapag walang mapuntahan, nandiyan lagi si Sabi.
Yun nga mismo. Yun naman yung ready namin from Japan training pa lang na yun nga, luxury naman talaga na nandiyan si Sab. Pero gusto natin kahit paano may katulong isa, dalawa. So far, yun naman si Kiana, yun naman talaga yung role niya. And yun nga, yung supporting cast ng mga middles, tapos ngayon nga si Kisha yung mas napili. So basta ganun yung nagiging numbers namin. Hindi naman guaranteed, pero malaki lagi yung chance namin. So yun nga, ngayon tinawag ng pagkakataon na si Sab ulit yung gumawa. And ready naman siya, so ganun talaga.
Coach, yun nga si Del nakabalik na rin from Indonesia. Gano'n lang kalaking bagay, lalo na may experience na from abroad.
Actually, akala niya mapalaro ko siya today. Hindi ko siya nasabihan na hindi pa siya kasalang. Pero ganun yung dedication ng bata. Kararating lang niya nung March 1. Nakaisang practice pa lang sa amin, tapos ready na agad siya sumabang. Sabi ko naman, yun nga, hanggat kaya idahan-dahan ulit yung pag-gel sa system. Pero definitely, by next week, i-rotate ko na sila nila Kiana. So yun, malaking tulong ulit na may mahuhugot off the bench na ganyang caliber.
Coach, at 5-1 and with Signal winning earlier, tapos tikit-tikit pa yung Green Line 4-1, tapos yung Chocomotion NX led 3-3. So, this was very important. How important yung mga last 3 matches yung para at least makaiwas kayo doon sa bottom 6?
Well, ang mindset naman ng this conference, regardless sa sino kalaban, kung ano man yung ranking nila, wala nang magiging basis kung ano yung magiging laro. Kita nyo naman yung kanina. Kita nyo din may ibang games. Kahit sino talaga. So, ang nagiging challenge ko na lang talaga sa players, regardless ng results, mabilis mag-move on at mag-prepare ulit ng susunod na laro. Walang ibang iisipin, hindi isipin yung standing, hindi isipin yung malayo pa. Pero yung mga next games lang talaga na importante. So far, sa mangyayari sa amin, yung last games namin, definitely very crucial pa rin talaga. So yung galleries, lagi nakakaisa sa mga teams, nakuha na talaga yung next lead. Yung next lead mismo, strong contender, and si Choco pa. So walang easy game. Talagang one at a time, saka kailangan balance out talaga yung pagkapahinga sa trabaho.
On that note, congratulations.
Thank you
Enjoy this
po.